So friends, if you have your bank account in Axis Bank and if you want to use Axis mobile application but you don't remember your mPIN, then what to do? In this particular case, you can just simply select forgot mPIN option and reset your mPIN, and then you can access your account. And I'm going to guide you through each and every step or each and every method of resetting mPIN in this particular video. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Axis mobile application in your mobile phone. Now it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now once you open Axis mobile application, it will ask you to enter mPIN to access your account. But you don't remember your mPIN, and if you have not enabled the Face ID or fingerprint option, then in that case, just simply select forgot mPIN option to reset your mPIN. Now once you select forgot mPIN, on the next page you get three options to reset your mPIN. One is using customer ID details. Now to get customer ID, obviously you need an access to your account, or if you already have your account details with you, just simply enter the customer ID number, you will get an OTP, enter the OTP, and then you will be able to reset your mPIN. The second method is by means of internet banking. So you can enter your login ID, password over here, and then select continue option, and later on you will be able to reset mPIN. Now the easiest way of resetting mPIN is using debit card option. Now if you have a physical debit card with you, well and good, just enter the card number over here, enter the card expiry details and ATM pin over here, and then select continue option. Now I have entered the card details over here, let's select continue option. Now on the next page, you need to enter the registered mobile number. So you can select the country code over here. You can just open the drop down and you can select your country code, and later on you can just enter your mobile number and select continue option. So I have entered the mobile number over here. Let's select continue. Now on the next page, you can see you have to enter 8-digit activation code, which you will receive via SMS. So just enter the code over here and go ahead. So I have entered the activation code. Let's select continue. Now you can see on this particular page, you will get an option to set your 6-digit mPIN. Now once you enter new mPIN, again on the next page, it will ask you to confirm your new mPIN and then select done. So I have entered the mPIN second time, and now you can see we have got a successful message. So simply tap on OK and enter your new mPIN to log in into your account. And that's it. You can see I have changed the mPIN and now I am able to access my account. So this is how simple it is to reset mPIN in Axis mobile application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.